frame is in paint, and I wasn't quick enough to get on shooting it, but you can see the frame is upside down. We shoot it right side up, and then the last thing we do is shoot it upside down. It looks great. It really came out nice. All the various and sundry little parts that go with it as well are there. Certain brackets and things of that nature. U-bolt skid plate there, other bumpers and brackets, fuel tank bracket, etc., etc. So we get all these things in a really good quality paint as well. See those numbers in there, really good. We talked about this earlier, but it really is a nice frame. Good detail. Nice rear cross member, frame gusset, leaf spring gusset's the original. Looks super sharp, so well worth the effort here.